Hi, welcome back to Rolling with Riggs. I'm Cody Riggs here at Sonoran Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu in Tucson. I got Eduardo with me. Today we're going to do a little bit of float passing past the butterfly guard. So if you watched the last video, you saw how we used that open book Jean-Jacques Machado butterfly sweep. This week we're going to counter that a little bit. So Eduardo's got his butterfly hooks on me, and he's usually, wanting to fight for inside control here, and that's fine with me. I'm going to use that to my advantage. So whenever he gets an underhook, I'm going to get an underhook on the opposite side. Now, I'm going to have my head on the same side as my overhook, opposite of my underhook. Now, here, he wants to fall to his left, my right, to sweep me over. I'm going to force him to go flat on his back. So when he starts to try to fall to the side for the sweep, I'm going to come up on my feet and push him flat on his back. Now, notice how my legs are bent, my hips are down, putting pressure on him. I have my overhook kind of just floating as a post, while my underhook, you can have it down grabbing the belt, you can have it up high, or you can have it under the shoulder blade. From here, the points of connection are going to be my head on the side, my underhook, and my hips dropping down. From here, I'm going to use him to my advantage. I'm going to let him kind of start to elevate me with his, yeah, exactly. And I'm going to use that to my advantage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kick my right leg out because it's the same side as my underhook. I'm going to kick it straight and turn my hip to get over, okay? We're here. He has his underhook. I get mine. I have my head on the opposite side. He wants to fall to his overhook side. I'm going to force him on both shoulders here. My head is one point of connection. My arm and my hips are the other two. From here, he starts to try to elevate me. I kick my leg straight, and I'm going to turn my hip to drop over. Okay? From here, I push the knee to slide through and come back to the hips. So we're here. He goes to fall to his shoulder. I put him flat on his back. Notice how I'm keeping his heels to his butt as well. All right? From here, he starts to go to elevate me. I kick my leg straight, drop over. I still have to beat this leg. I'm going to push it out of the way and walk back to gather the hips. Now, off of that, they're not always going to try to elevate. We're going to kind of just force the pass from there straight into a mount. If you watch pretty much any jiu-jitsu really nowadays, you'll see this a lot with Joseph Chin. He's really popular for it. Same kind of scenario. They're going to want to go, but we're going to force them on their back. Boom. Here. Now, I'm going to use my overhook side to start to force a half a butterfly. So I'm going to start to go to my overhook side and put them on their side to make it easier for me to push this knee through. Now I can use my elbow and kind of just walk over, or I can even take my hand down, grab the pants, and push as I come over. Now from here, I bring my knee down, and I'm kind of forcing this half butterfly position now, okay? From here, a lot of the time, they're going to want to try to extend that hook out to try to get their butterfly sweep still. We're just going to ride it down like a slide and go right to mount. We're here. We have that overhook, underhook. They go to their side, but we're going to force them on their back. Boom. Once again, my head is the point of connection, my underhook, and my hips. From here, I'm going to force that half guard, or that half a butterfly, by going to the side of my overhook. I'm going to push that knee through and drop my hips down. Notice how low they stay. Now from here, they try to go extend that hook out. That's fine with me. I'm just going to ride it down like a slide, right in the mount. Okay? All right, thank you for watching today. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you'd like to see any other techniques added on, or you have a request for something coming up, please let me know. I'll try my best to answer that. If you have any questions about attending classes, go to sonoranbjj.com. Thanks and have a great week.